Theory Habits Level 2, Practical Lesson number 12. So your practice chart this week is going to include the interval songs. You're working on 3 now. Middle C, Busy Bee, Busy Bee, and Cuckoo Bird. Cuckoo Bird. Sing those once every day. You'll also include on your practice chart flashcards and staff book. Please write in your daily time so you can keep track of your progress for both your flashcards and your staff book. When you reach your minimum time, you can add more cards or add more drills. We're going to be playing pieces out of the L&M 1A book this week. You're going to play pages 68, 69, and 70. 68, you'll need to play through 5 times every day, marking with an X or with a star. 68 also has written work. So please fill out this middle line here and this lower line here, these dashes. This is a great exercise to help you really think about how the notes are moving and how far. So for each note, you're going to mark if the note moved up. See how the note moved up and they marked it with an up arrow, and how far. So the note moved up a second, so you'd write up a second. So for this one, for example, from this note to this note, did it move up or down? That's right, it moved down the staff, so you'd write a down arrow, and how far did it move? That's right, a second. Okay, so you'd write down arrow with a 2. This is a great exercise in really making you focus on the direction of notes and how far they're moving. When you learn to read like this, it's going to be much easier than naming your notes. So you'll be a really fast reader if you start recognizing those distance and direction. So page 69, you're going to play that 5 times per day, marking your chart with the X's or stars. And then page 70, you just need to do that 1 time per day. It's a rhythm one that you're going to clap for the first half. The first 2 exercises you'll clap and count. I like using numbers. You can use the TAWs. We're also introducing a new note. See that note right there? It's called the dotted half note, and it will get 3 counts. So this one, you're going to count 1, 2, 3. And the whole note. This is where the ahs get difficult, because the whole note, if you're counting ta, ah, 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 you're saying ah quite a bit. Or if you're using numbers, you can count for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4 for the whole note. All right, so these first 2 you'll clap, and the second 2 you'll tap on your lap with right hand and left hand. You'll do that 1 time per day. What's exciting about this week is you get to start a new book. It's called 4-Star Sight Reading and Ear Training, the introductory level. Now, each week you're going to do 1 unit. In your book, you'll see that it's labeled Unit 1, and each unit has 5 different daily exercises. You will do 1 exercise every day. Just go through it 1 time. You don't need to practice to perfect these. The exercises in 4-Star, you're going to just be working on your sight reading. So it's like reading a book. You'll just pick it up, read through, you're done. Each exercise daily has a sight reading example and a rhythm example. So go through the sight reading 1 time, do your very best, and then go through the clapping 1 time. That's all you need to do. Now, if you want me to check on your 4-Star, how that's coming, there are tests at the back of the book. So the book has 10 units, and then after the last unit, it's called tests. And if you want to try one of those tests and video it and send it in, I would be happy to give you some feedback on it. So make sure when you send in the video that you really are looking at that test for the first time, that you haven't practiced it, or that you haven't looked at it before, that you open the book and look at it for the first time and then send me in that video. If you practice it, I won't be able to give you as useful feedback, because 4-Star is about what you can sit down and sight read without practicing. So it's kind of a fun book because you don't have to practice to get it perfect, you just get to read it. So this week you'll be doing 4-Star and do 1 unit every day, and then there's a whole rhythm section. You can fit that in a little bit every day or do that along with one of your sight reading units one of the days, one of your sight reading exercises. All right, so I'll see you after you've practiced 5 days. Practice partner, if you want some help on these, or if you finished practicing, here are the demonstrations for your pieces. So we're going to start with page 68, finger warm-ups. Right hand one on C, left hand one on C. Here we go. Ready, go. Pretty good. All right, Toy Soldier March, page 69. Right hand one on C, left hand first note is 4 on C. Here we go. Ready, go. 1, 2. Skip, step, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, now this has a jazzy duet, so just try and keep really, really steady. Don't let my jazzy rhythm throw you off. This is Toy Soldier March duet. 1, 2, ready, go. That was a jazzy rhythm. Okay. So this is page 70. Let's go through the clapping, see if you did that okay. Starting with number 1. Ready, go. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. Number 2. Ready, go. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now the tapping rhythms. We're going to start with our left hand. 1, 2, ready, go. Left, 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 2, 3. Right, 2, both, 2, 3. And you don't have to say the hand names. You can just keep counting the numbers. I'll do just the numbers on 2 in case that's how you've done it. Number 2, ready, go. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. That one's tricky. It needs a lot of practice. All right, that's it for this week. So if you've practiced your 5 days, you're ready to move on to practical lesson number 13, my lucky number.